an interesting phenomenon. The sun is actually behind me, and this is where the sun rises in the morning. It is now about 6 p.m. Here in Lubao. Very interesting. Pretty cool though. Now we gotta hurry because there's plenty of them now.
Dala kami sa labas. Oh yeah, my God, there's a lot. Hurry up. Here we go, we're starting now. Yeah, they're starting to. The balloon starting. As you can see on the screen, they're flying. It's a lot now. Wow. Balloons over there.
I think this is a good spot.
That's a good spot.
Yeah, look at it.
Yeah. Yeah. So we can narrate na yeah, it's so good.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. Another beautiful morning. We had a torrential rain last night.
Yeah.
We were not 100% sure it was going to stop raining, but it did. And here we go. They do these balloon flights early in the morning, apparently. And today there is literally no wind or very little wind. So it's just a very nice, beautiful sight.
Yeah.
Did you bring camera? Your phone?
No.
And right down there is the grounds of where they launched them from. And some of them are really low flying. Some interesting characters as well. I think you have Miss Piggy there, some ducks, and then you have the regular balloons that are flying up here, coming right over our head at this point. Beautiful morning, and overhead, don't know if we can get a glimpse on it, but there is several of them up here hanging over. How are you doing, hon?
Yes, there's lots of balloons here.
Yeah. And here's the famous caribou. Landing on our house there. Okay, I'll let you take this.
Yeah, I will.
It's recording.
Yeah. Walking again. Wow, that one is so big. It's almost land on the land. Oh my. That one's big. That one is big. It's almost land. The other one is almost land over there. Oh, my cell phone is on my backpack. It's on my pocket. We're chasing the balloons. It's almost landing. It's on the other way. Oh, that one is big. Oh, where did he go? Oh, there you go. Oh, there's a, oh my god, that was good.
Dropping down in the rice field.
Yeah. Oh, it's landing over there. That's a Korean.
Korean?
Yeah, Korean guy. Oh, it lands over there. Yeah. Let's go.
Bell.
Oh, it lands on the rice field. Yeah. Now it's our chance to. Oh,
Where is this one?
it lands on the rice field.
Yeah, unfortunately it's right into the sun.
Yeah. So the other one is still on. That one I don't know where they can land. Yeah.
They're disappearing.
Yeah, over here. They went over there. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. This one is over here. I don't know where he can land. Oh yeah, big time. Oh, that one is over there. Oh. Yeah. Oh, there you go.
There's one right there.
Yeah.
And there's another one dropping in here.
Now we can go on the other side. If you want. Go.
Go around.
Yeah, they said you go over there. So we can, ano.
These guys are here. You can't get them.
Yeah, it's over there. Oh. The rice
Right.
field.
Alright, you jump off and walk.
Ah.
Put the bike on the side.
Hello. Wow. That one is fine. Oops. It's a slippery here. Whoa. Oh my. That one is so wonderful. Wow, look at that. Oh, look at that. What's that? Wow. Oh. Oh, they're flying na. Oh, they're flying na. Wow. Wow. Oh, so big. What the heck?
Yeah. Yeah, you can't get much closer than this.
Yeah.
They're gonna try to get that, flying that thing right into the crate there.